Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to track changes in Google Docs. So let's just start the video. At first, open the Google Docs document where you want to track changes. Now look at the top right corner of the document and here you will see a editing mode option. Click on it and from the list select suggesting. Google Docs is now in suggesting mode. Now make any changes in the document. For example, you can add new text or delete existing text. Instead of changing the document directly, Google Docs will show your edits as suggestions. A comment box will also appear on the side showing the suggested changes. And that's how you can track changes in Google Docs. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.